Hey friends, Tony Zargami coming at you live from my quarantined office space. We're social distancing and no one else is here, right? It's pretty sad. But I wanted to share another digital open house with you so you guys can check out what's going on in Florida. For those of you that are quarantined up in my hometown, I heard it might be snowing again. I'm real sorry, so don't get mad at me about this one. This property I fell in love with the minute I walked into the door. Oops, that's the wrong one. There we go. The minute I walked into the door of this property, I loved it. It's 548 Regatta Way. It's over in the gated community of Harbour Walk, for those of you that know that community. This is our listing right here on this gorgeous canal. And the cool thing is, which doesn't happen often, the canal like dead ends right here. So it's like a little cul-de-sac for a canal, and then you have direct access out into the bay. How beautiful is that? So this is 548 Regatta Way. It was just built recently in the last couple of years. Our clients have quite a few properties and decided to get this one sold. This is actually a pending listing. This one went pending fairly quickly, and once you see inside, you will absolutely understand why. Look at this. Does it not look like a decorator came in here and did all this? This was actually all of my clients doing. So you could see why it sold fairly quickly. But this property has 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. It's right about 3,000 square feet. Tons of detail you can see in all of the moldings, in the flooring, and the upgrades, everything. I want to take you outside in this property first because this is one of my favorite parts of the house. There's so much seating area out here. This is actually one of the largest lots in this community. And because it's one of the largest lots in the community, my seller was able to build one of the largest pools in the community. That's a nice pillar right there. I'm trying to get around. Here we go. Was able to build one of the largest pools in the community. So I don't know if you see pools this large often. It's super cool. It's got the California beach entry right here. It's got a waterfall feature there. It's got the cascading waterfall over here. These are great little steps you can sit at. My sellers have said they've had many a pool party where your drinks sit right there. And then this is the view to the private canal, which again, dead ends at the back over there. So this is the great outdoor space. So you'll see there's an outdoor kitchen over there. This is one of the split floor plans. So the master bedroom is on this side of the house over here. I don't know if you can see those circles on these videos. And then the other bedrooms are on this side of the property. They really spared no expense when it came to their kitchen, their appliances, their countertops. Fun fact, David and I remodeled our kitchen, and this is the countertop we chose. So if anyone is wondering what my kitchen countertop looks like, there you go. Here's the floor plan of the property. If you wanted to take a look at the floor plan, the master bedroom is over here. You can take a quick peek in the master. Oh, no, I take it back. That is not the master. I was upside down in my floor plan. That's one of the guest rooms off of the back kitchen. So my apologies, not the master. The master is actually on the other side of the house. Here's our dollhouse view, which is always fun. You can grab it and kind of take a look around the entire property. I know there are a number of listings right now in Harbour Walk. So if you guys are interested in checking out a different property, this one is pending, but if you're interested in checking out another one, let me know. As I'll be in touch soon with another digital walkthrough. I hope you have an amazing day. The double wave is for you, Mr. Belter. Have a good one. Bye.